TrexCoin is an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency favored by Trex Species Research in worldwide. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. Today we are going to discuss such a great undervalued token, the TrexCoin. What is TrexCoin all about? How you can stake this token? We are going to share all these things in this video. So stay tuned with us. Right now it is available on 3 major exchanges and you have the chance to buy this token at this time, because if you are going to hold this token for about 1 year, you are going to get number of benefit from the help of this token TrexCoin. First of all, you can find this token on Crex24 in BTC pair, on P2P B2B same in the BTC pair, and even you can buy this token directly from the Finex Box exchange in the BTC pair. So right now the basic thing is this: what I am going to tell you is regarding the TrexCoin, what they are offering, what is the theme behind the TrexCoin. We are going to discuss each and everything. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major crypto related news. First of all, what is Trex and what is the mission of the TrexCoin? Basically, TrexCoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency, algorithm script, POW plus proof of stake, fast transactions, secure blockchain. That is basically the mission of the TrexCoin. Here you can find each and everything regarding this token. TrexCoin is an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency favored by Trex Species Research in worldwide. TrexCoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency, algorithm script, fast transactions, secure blockchain. As I showed you above, that right now it is available on CoinMarketCap, so easily you can find all the major things and changes in this coin. Right now the thing is this: for example, if you are going to hold, the basic thing is this staking, which I am going to share with you in this video. It is entirely very easy. First of all, when you are going to click on this link, the main link is basically the platform link, and then you have to click on the downloads. And when you are going to click on the downloads, you can find multiple wallets option over here, especially the Linux wallet, Mac wallet and Windows wallet. TrexCoin give 20% annual stake reward on daily basis to all the TrexCoin holders staking work on Windows, Mac, Linux wallets. So it is entirely very easy. First of all, you have to buy the TrexCoin from any of the above exchange, for example from the Crex24, P2P, B2B, or from the Finex Box. After buying the token, you just have to download the wallet, and then you have to take those coins in your wallet. For example, the Windows wallet, you have to take your all the tokens, the TrexCoins, towards the wallet, and then every time, basically the thing the thing is this, I will tell you the major thing is this, that 20% annual stake reward on daily basis. So that is such a great thing. You are going to get a number of the TrexCoin very easily if you are going to hold your tokens in these any above of these any wallet. If you are going to hold your token over there, you are going to get number of TrexCoin every day. So that is basically the main thing. Now the basic thing is this: I will tell you what is the use of TrexCoin. Low cost money transfers, a censorship resistant alternative store of wealth. Invest in innovative early stage startups, make private transactions, send non-cash remittances. So that is such a great thing regarding TrexCoin. Here you can see the main thing, that right now the name is TrexCoin, the ticker is Trex, algorithms is basically the script. So that is the awesome things regarding the TrexCoin. How to get the TrexCoin? So that is such a great thing. You can mine it using staking and miners, or buy on the exchanges. For example, if you want to mine this token, it is entirely very easy for you to mine. Even here you can find the basic option. You just have to click over here, and here you can see the best thing, proof of stake. As I told you, 20% per year. So that is a great thing. If you are going to hold this token, the TrexCoin, you are going to get multiple, you are going to get number of TrexCoins very easily. If you have any type of questions regarding this, you can contact them directly on the Telegram, or even you can mail them directly over here, and the team is available for you 24/7, and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends.